Welcome. In front of me is a Poco Tab M1, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you'll want to open up your settings application, and in here, navigate to About Tablet, which is the first option. Now from here we're going to scroll down and you will find Factory Reset option. And in here you just want to select Erase All Data. Now it does give you quick info that basically it will remove all the data that is listed right here, which importantly includes things like photos, videos, and basically all user data. Anyway, we're going to click on Erase All Data, and that's give us this option to back up to Xiaomi Cloud. Keep in mind, backing up to your Xiaomi Cloud is basically done to someone else's computer and is only available to you on other Xiaomis. As a backup, it's a very stupid idea to do this because it dictates when you can restore your own personal data. It's not being stored on your computer. It's not super secure, let's be honest. And on top of that, if you're in Europe, the companies are mandated to keep this data for, I believe, like 2 years or so, at which point they do need to delete it. So it's not even a permanent solution either. So if you're planning to make a backup, make it to your own computer instead. I don't have anything here that I want to back up, so I'm going to select Factory Reset. Now, Xiaomi thinks that their user base is basically room temperature IQ, so it gives us a 10-second timer, which we can't progress further till it passes, wasting sequentially 20 seconds of our life that we will never get back, letting us know that it deletes all the data, because, you know, the 2 messages before that weren't clear enough. So let's click on OK. And now it will begin factory resetting the device, which will take probably a couple minutes, we'll see, to finish up. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And you can see that the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.